Hi, it's Gary with Successful Gardens, and today is the first day of spring. It's a bit gloomier than what I was hoping it would be for the first day of spring, but the clouds decided to move in, it started to rain, but what's nice is you still can hear the birds chirp in the background. I wanted to spend the day outside clearing out some of the garden plots and also clearing out some of the flower beds, but alas, that got thwarted by Mother Nature. I've put together some pictures of the flowers of spring for you to enjoy. Hopefully you enjoyed the pictures that I shared with you today. I know it was nice to be reminded of the things that are yet to come on such a gloomy day as today. Until next time, keep thinking spring.